Hey friends, and welcome. We're going to be working on writing our numbers, but we're also going to be working on before and after. So I need you to grab your whiteboard and your marker, and I need you to write your numbers 1 through 10 and see if you can get them in one straight line. I'm actually going to write mine again down here just so we can remember the number track, okay? So go ahead and take your whiteboard and your marker and write your numbers 1 through 10. Now you only write them once, but I'm going to write them twice, okay? Let's go ahead and take a moment, write your numbers 1 through 10, okay? There you go. Now if you need more time, that's just fine. Go ahead and pause me so you can finish. Good work, my friends. Now here's what we're going to do, okay? When you have your numbers on your dry erase board, if you want to erase one, you just erase it with your finger. So I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase my 3, my 6, and my 9. Can you go and erase your 3, your 6, and your 9? Very good. Now, if you're ready, go ahead and follow along with me. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause. Okay, good. Now, what we can do is here are our missing numbers, and you can just see where I have a full number line down here, right? I can see every number, but up here we see that some of those numbers are missing. We just erased them, didn't we? So let's try this. If I'm looking, let's say I would like to do, the number that comes before 4. So I'm looking for this number right here. The number that comes before 4. Can you think of what that number might be? What do you think it is? Very good. I think it's going to be the number 3. I know that for 2 reasons. I can come down here and check out my number line and I can see that 3 comes before 4. I could also just count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now let's see if we can find the number that comes after 5. So I'm looking at 5 and I want to find the number that comes after 5. What do you think? Very good. I think it's going to be the number 6. So go ahead and put your 6 back in there. And I know that because I can look at my number line and I can see that 6 comes after 5. I can also count on. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now, I would like to find the number that came before 10. So if I'm looking at my number 10, I want to find the number that came before. The one that goes right here. What do you think came before? Very good. I think the number that came before was 9. 9 comes before 10. I know that because down here on my number line, I can look and see what comes before 10. I can also count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, I want us to try something a little crazy. Let's erase off what you have on your board, but I'm going to keep my red numbers down here so we can see them, okay? And I want to do 2 things, okay? First thing I want to do is a little bit crazy. I want us to write our numbers backwards in order, okay? So if I start with 10, I want to know what comes before. What comes before 10? That's right. If we look down here at our number line, the number that comes before is 9. What comes before 9? Can you check your number line? That's right. 8 comes before 9. Very good. Now, what comes before 8? Very good. 7. Now, what comes before 7? That's right, 6. Very good. What comes before 6? Yes, that's going to be our 5. What comes before 5? That's right, 4. What comes before 4? That's right, 3. What comes before 3? Right here. That's right, 2. And what comes before 2? That's right, our number 1. Now, you just wrote your numbers backwards. And that's a little crazy. It kind of goes against all the rules, doesn't it? So let's try this. Let's try to write them forwards and see what comes after. So if we start with our number 1, what number comes after 1? That's right, 2. What number comes after 2? You're right, 3. What number comes after 3? 4. Good work. What comes after 4? That's right, 5. What comes after 5? That's right, 6. What comes after 6? There you go, 7. What comes after 7? 8. Very good. What comes after 8? 9. Very good. And what comes after 9? You're right, 10. Good work, my friends. Now, make sure you take a picture of your writing of your numbers 1 through 10 and put them in on your slide so I can see your work. And thank you so much for practicing your before and after with me, as well as writing your numbers. Good work, friends.